Where are you going to?
Where are you following me to?
Wherever you're going to.
Tejiri, you are my biggest problem in this life.
Well, you are my own problem. Peter, you're my problem in this house. What is this? Huh? Why don't you want to do something meaningful with your life?
Where are you following me to now?
Why would I follow you? I'm going to anywhere you're going to. Since you have decided to be irresponsible, why don't you want to work? What kind of a husband are you?
But I'm an agent, for crying out loud.
Agent of what? Agent of destruction? Agent of confusion? Which one?
An agent that gives people houses, that sells property. I'm a realtor and a developer, that kind of agent.
When was the last time your development developed money? Answer. Real money.
Listen.
Anyways, I have spoken to my brother Timmy and he's agreed to help you out with the restaurant job.
I am not going to work a restaurant job.
Unfortunately, you don't always get what you want out of life. So you will do that job until you get something befitting to do.
Read my lips. I am not working a restaurant job.
You want trouble, oh? You want trouble in this house. You don't know me. You want trouble. Hey. Hey, son. How was work?
Hey, baby. Work was just there. It was a wedding anniversary shoot. And I was able to get a couple of shots, but then the kids were just running.
I don't need the details. Do you like my dress?
They actually look nice.
Thank you. So I want us to go to that new restaurant at Abelte Road.
Babe, that restaurant is really expensive. I can't afford that restaurant right now.
So you're saying you don't have money?
I'm saying we've spent the bulk of our money on outing alone this year. The only money remaining with me right now is what I'm trying to gather for our rent.
Okay. So you don't have money to take me out. You have money to spend on your side chicks.
Ijeoma, seriously, you've started. Why can't you just try and understand me for once? Your online business is not selling anything.
Oh, so you're saying now that I don't contribute to the home. I'm a jobless housewife. That's what you're saying.
That is not what I'm saying. I never said that. All I am trying to say is that clients are scarce by this time of the year. We have to manage ourselves, basically.
Chai, you don't have money to take me out, but you spend this money on your side chicks, but you don't have money for me. So I'm the one that should do understanding housewife and understand that there's no money. Those outside should not do, they should not understand your predicament. I'm the one that should understand.
I will never hear the end of it. With this whole Ijeoma, it was a one-time thing. And that was a long time ago.
A long time ago was last year, Uche. This thing you're saying now, someone that hears you will think I police you. Do I follow you around? How do I know that you're not still doing the same thing? Last time.
Okay, okay. The restaurant at
Abelte Road.
Abelte Road.
Yes.
Fantastic. Let's go.
Go and wear clothes. You just came back from work. Change into something.
What's wrong with this?
You're just coming from work. You're sweaty. Change. When you're going out with them, don't you change? Don't you look good?
Okay.
Look good.
Say less. Say less. Say less. Change.
Don't waste time, oh.
Yes, ma'am.
IJ?
IJ!
I'm sorry, do I know you?
Excuse you? Come off it, IJ. We went to uni for 4 years. There's no way you would forget this pretty face. Tejiri.
Oh, Tejiri. Sorry, you look so different.
Maybe different in a good way, right? But you look the same. Nothing has really changed. Anyways, what are you doing here?
Oh, I'm here to have dinner with my husband.
Lovely. I'm equally here to have dinner with my loving husband over there.
But this place is expensive.
Expensive? This is not half as expensive as the type of restaurants we dine in. Yes.
Well, since you're here, why not join our table so we could catch up?
I'd love that. Let me speak to my husband. Baby,
Yes, darling.
change of plans. We are going to eat here.
What about an interview with you?
Forget the interview. We're eating here, okay?
Do you know this place is really expensive?
Package yourself. Don't embarrass yourself. I said we're eating here. So all I want you to do for me is smile and pretend we're fine, okay? Now smile. Good boy. You like red wine?
Babe?
Babe, meet Tejiri, my classmate from uni. Tejiri, my husband, Uche.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Oh, hi.
Hi, brother. How you doing?
This
Very
is
fine,
my
thank you.
husband, Terry.
Oh,
Yes,
wow.
he works with Helen Oil and Gas.
Wow. Interesting.
Yes.
Interesting though. I mean, we weren't expecting any guests, but of course, it's nice to meet you guys.
Yes, it's nice to meet you guys too.
Yeah.
So, Uche, right?
Yeah.
What exactly do you do for a living?
Well, I'm into.
He owns a tech company.
Really?
A startup?
Oh no, it's fully functional and they've been in business for 2 years, so it's not a startup.
Wow. Impressive.
Impressive.
Where is your company located?
It's in Billionaire.
Wow.
Amazing. Congratulations. You know, it's really good to have your own company.
Sure.
Baby,
Yeah.
you know they say tech is the new oil money.
It is the new oil money, budget.
Oh my god, I had so much fun.
Yes, the bill, sir. How would you like to pay?
Okay, let me have it.
Oh, no. It's fine. My husband will pay the bill. It's okay.
I know, I insist. I would like my husband and I to pay.
But why not let them handle it? They said it's not big deal, right?
Baby, come on. This is small. Let's just handle it. It's not a big deal.
Teju, we're the ones that invited you guys
I
over.
said I insist.
Teju, it's fine.
Babe, they're insisting. Let them.
Teju, we're the ones hosting you. It's fine. My husband will handle it.
Babe,
Babe.
Okay,
Babe.
okay. If you insist, I mean, who are we to say no? After all, your husband here is a big shot.
Bro.
It's fine.
We don't want to be rude since you're insisting.
No, it's okay, babe. We're the ones hosting them.
Please, can I have one more bottle of this? Sure.
Of course. It's
Yes,
just
so
a water.
add that
How
to
much
the
is
bill,
it?
okay?
Yes, please.
Yes.
You know, sometimes when people say they will, Jesus.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, sure. So this is the bill, right? For this particular table.
Yeah, he hasn't added the extra wine. I'm
Okay,
Can you get
So-
POS and the extra wine, please?
Yes.
POS and the extra wine. Thank you.
Letting myself into 300,000 naira. 300,000 naira, Ijoma. That's what I paid for 4 plates of rice and meat. I didn't plan for that. I only budgeted for you and I, Ijoma. I don't even know how I let myself get involved in this rubbish.
Do you think I'm happy about this expense?
Do I look stupid to you? You're not happy, but you insisted.
I only insisted because I thought she was going to insist. You know, I insist, she insisted, and then she will finally pay. That's why I insisted.
Hi. My God. My God. I can't believe this. This is unbelievable. Ijoma, I'll have you know, the money I used to sort out that bill is the money I've been saving for our rent. And now our rent is way overdue. The landlord is on our neck. Tell me, how are we supposed to pay for our rent?
The same way you magically have money to take your side chicks out, I'm sure you will have money like that.
It always comes down to this, doesn't it? It always comes down to this, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
It was a one-time thing.
I don't believe that.
Okay. Okay. What was that hype all about? Very unnecessary hype.
It was necessary.
How? How? Why? Don't you know that hyping yourself like that can attract unnecessary billing? And when did I become a tech company CEO? In VI, me, Uchenna, tech company CEO. How? When? Ijoma, honestly, the lies you've told today can cause rapture. You just kept lying and lying and lying.
It was not a lie. That's how I see you in my mind, like the owner of a tech company. That's what I see. That's my dream. Being married to someone that owns a tech company. So I'm positioning you in that light.
Nonsense. I'm sure she's probably feeling like she has done one big deal. Carrying her shoulder up because she paid for how much? 300k. Nonsense.
So what about the work we went there for?
What dirty work?
I thought you insisted I worked there.
You're not working there anymore. Oh, you want to cast me? You can't work at that restaurant now. How?
Okay, so is it going to be an oil company this time?
Do you look like somebody that can work in an oil company?
Yes, look at me, man. Look at me, baby. Senatorial.
Keep dreaming. Anyways, I'll tell my brother to find something for you, maybe in a bank or someplace, but not a restaurant.
Okay.
Nah, this won't pain me. It pained me, like, it pained me inside my chest. And sometimes I feel like this our God is very partial. He's very, very partial. Because it's not like there's anything more to that girl. Yes, now, when we were in school, she wasn't even the smartest. I was way smarter than her. But look at her today. See the husband that God gave her. A tech guy. Rich. Muscular. Forget the muscle. Money. See, they just spending money. 300k. Hey, God, why me? See the kind of husband you gave my friend.
God. Other people are marrying billionaire children, daughters. Look at what you blessed me with. Or look at what you gave me. God, offer her as a sacrifice.
Offer was a sacrifice. Offer was a sacrifice. Are you kidding? Are you why I struggle you to death? No, but the thing they pay me. Hi! Why didn't you bring out 300k and pay? Now that girl will be looking at me like one.
I'm sorry. Enlighten me, because it must be my comprehension difficulty. What exactly do you mean by that's how I see you?
That's the vision I see.
The vision you see? Well, it's not my vision.
I know.
It never has been.
I just imagine that I'm married to someone that owns a tech company. You know?
Ijoma. So what you're trying to tell me right now is that in your imagination, I own a tech company.
Why are we even talking about this thing? I've been through a lot today, please.
Oh, so now you've been through a lot. You've been through a lot. What do you think I'm going through right now? What do you... Tell me, what are you going through? I even want to understand. What exactly are you going through?
Why are you shouting.
Why won't I shout? Why won't I shout?
Ordinary 300,000 naira. Uche,
300,000, that's what you're calling ordinary. Right? You made us go through unnecessary expenses today and you're asking me why am I shouting? Why won't I shout at you? You're not even in the position to defend yourself right now. You know that, right?
Do you think I'm happy about this expense?
Ijoma, at this point, you're not even supposed to be defending yourself at all. You're not supposed to be defending yourself at all. You know, I keep thinking, I'm just thinking, I don't know, it doesn't make sense to me. I'm wondering how it makes sense to you. How does it make sense to you that we are sorting the bills of people collecting oil money? How?
This thing you are doing is giving me headache and you're increasing my BP. What do you want? Now for me to end up in the hospital, you want to kill me?
If I say that BP should kill you. If not...
I know that's what you want, so you can move on with other women. I will be alive.
Okay.
To declare the glory of God. Which now will not die. Because of 300,000 naira. 300k that you spend on these girls.
Ijoma.
300k. What's 300? People eat more than that.
Ijoma.
That was enough. I'm beginning to name headache. But when I name headache, please. It's just 300,000 naira. Relax.
You won't be the end of me. You hear me? No. You will not be the end of me. I tell you.
How much is 300k, Uchenna? 300k. 300. Ego neki na kwụrụ ha na hotel. Be na lodge ha.
Hello, sir. Sir? Oga landlord.
How many times did I call you?
It's like it's 2 times, sir.
Come outside first.
So you say?
I say come outside.
Okay, sir. Come, sir.
Uchenna! Yeah. Uche!
Oga landlord.
Uchenna.
Good morning, sir. How's the family, sir?
You don't want to pay me my money.
Sir, it's not like that. It's just, I've been dealing with so many things at a time and it's just been so overwhelming.
How is that my business? You've been singing the same song over and over again.
Sir, you know me. You know me. You know I'm not like this. It's just due to some circumstances and unforeseen forces. But then it's not a problem. I will sort it out, okay?
Listen to me. The only reason why I've been lenient with you is because of Maji Ejiofor, which happened to be your uncle. Because he's my friend.
Thank you, sir.
But at this point, I'm tired. You can't continue to live in my house for free. It's not possible.
You can't be tired, sir. I'm not living in your house for free. I pay my rent. But this period has just been...
You will pay your rent, but you haven't paid.
Landlord, do we normally owe you? This one time that we're owing you, want to bring down the roof. Do we owe you normally? Uche, leave me, I beg.
Leave her. Let her run her mouth. You do without battery.
Landlord without conscience.
Ijoma, okay, go inside. Go inside.
No. Continue.
Maybe it's because of your negative energy that we have not prospered in this house. Things are going slow because of your wickedness. That's why. That's why we have not prospered.
Thank you. Go bye. Thank you very much. Don't mind her. You know how women can be.
What are you laughing about? What's funny? No, Uchenna, you stood here. This small girl, that is very, very ugly, looking like Tolo. It's insulting me. And all you can do is, you're laughing.
Sorry, she's my wife.
She's your wife?
My wife. You have a wife.
Okay, I have a wife. You're not mentioning husband and wife now. They are equal now. No, continue.
You called my wife Tolo because...
Pay me my money.
Okay, it's done. I promise.
Why are you bringing your voice down?
Sir,
No, you were shouting before.
Me,
Tell me my money!
I will never shout at you. Am I stupid? I can never raise my voice at you.
Okay.
Sir, all I'm pleading right now. I just need, a few more months. Few more months and I'll sort it out. Easy.
Few more months.
Yes, sir.
How many few more days? How many few more months? Uchenna. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. You know what? Listen to me. I don't even want that money anymore. Yes. I want you to pack your things and get out of my house. Yes.
Sir.
I'm giving you till the end of this month. Sir. What is sir? You are sir. Look, I told you before, it's because of marriage or for. At this point now, I don't even care. Sir. Pack your things and get out of my house by the end of this month. Sir. Else,
can I talk to you?
You will know why they call me Mazi, a force right-hand man. One man, you say one.
Can I talk to you, sir?
If I come here at the end of this month, sir, and you are still here, sir, I'm going to show you the difference between Onitsha main market and Aba market.
Sir, regardless of anything, you're a man like myself, sir.
Oh!
But please, sir, regardless of anything, you're a man like myself. You know, sometimes there are challenges we go through.
Okay, we are men.
We are men, so
I'll show you that.
You're supposed to understand my situation.
It's okay.
Oga landlord.
Okay.
Oga landlord, can I reason with you for a minute, please?
Reason with your wife. Tolo.
Oga landlord, consider me, please.
How did he go?
Bad. He has gone, but he wants us to leave this month.
That man is heartless. Oh. Can he not see the economy is bad? Can't he see?
I don't understand. What do you expect? Huh? Obviously, the economy is affecting him. No, I'm going in.
Sorry that I asked you.
Keep asking nonsense questions.
I already said sorry. Why are you angry? Hello?
Hi, Jane. I just wanted to say thank you for the other day.
Oh no, it's nothing. It's nothing. It's fine.
Okay, I would like to repay the favor if you don't mind. I want to invite you over to my house to have dinner.
It's actually nothing. You don't have to bother yourself. It's fine. You don't have to.
I insist.
Okay, no problems. No problems.
Thank you. That place is quite noisy. Are you outside?
I just got to the spa, so it's noisy here. I came to do my, weekly massage. So I just got here and there, the noise and everything.
Oh, nice. Enjoyment. All right then. I'll see you Friday night, right?
Yeah, I'll see about Friday. Thank you.
I'll send you the address once you're ready. All right, bye. Hi.
Hey, baby.
Hey. Who sent me? Who sent me?
What's wrong? What's the problem?
I invited IJ over for dinner.
Okay, and how is that a problem?
Baby, it's a problem, because now we have to rent an apartment befitting of an oil company worker.
Well, what's wrong with our apartment, and why are you looking to rent an apartment?
Everything is wrong with our apartment, baby. Take a look around. Does this look like where an oil company worker will live in? Eh? This does not give that Chevron lifestyle. It doesn't give it. IJ knows, IJ thinks you're an oil company worker. When she comes here, she's going to be expecting luxury. We cannot come and fall our hands, so. We have to give class. We have to give luxury,
Do you know how much it costs to get an apartment in Chevron Ikoyi?
I don't know. You are the real estate agent here, so tell us.
Why do I feel like you have something to prove? If inviting her is going to cause so much strain and pressure on you, why Why invite her?
Babe, because if we don't, it's going to look as if we're not capable. Don't you get it? This is somebody that brought out a whooping 300,000 naira to pay for our food. So we can't let her think she's the only one that has money to throw away. Please, oh, we need to rub shoulders with her.
Well, do you also know that it costs about 400,000 to get an apartment in these areas?
Per month?
Per annum. Per day, my dear.
It's expensive though. Baby, we will pay. Husband and wife, me and you, we will pay.
We don't have that kind of money lying around, my friend.
If we don't have the money, we'll borrow now. We'll borrow, we'll give some of your things. Sorry, we'll borrow.
Did you say we'll borrow to impress?
We're in this together, baby, now.
I have to get something nice to wear. I need to go shopping. I also have to get either a suit or a senator. Do you understand?
I'm not wearing a suit, Ijoma.
It's what I give you that you're going to wear. No need. Uche. Do you believe that her husband works in an oil company?
Oh, Chineke, now. What is all this, Ijoma? Okay. What is it? How is that my business?
No, like if you look at the man like this, does he look like someone that works in an oil company?
No, because there's usually an inscription on someone's forehead that says, I work in an oil company.
See, let me tell you something. That man does not look like, an oil company worker. Look at him, the way he carries himself. Doesn't look. I don't believe that.
Prophetess. And how exactly do you know that?
Unlike you, my intuition is very good. And I don't believe that Ejiri, she's lying. Some people are going to their house. We'll find out now whether their house looks like oil company people. We'll see. Because that Ejiri, she can lie. She has always been a liar. Don't believe her.
That's your business.
I don't believe her. Let's look forward to hear.
Baby, this one is fine now. Very pretty. I like this one.
This house is going to cost you 400,000 a day, excluding caution fee.
Per day? Ha! Baby, why are all these houses expensive now?
Well, but babe, alternatively, you can just host your friend and her husband in a restaurant. It's going to save you this whole expense.
No, please, don't tell me that. Do you know how embarrassing that would be? If I just call her out of nowhere to give her a change of venue, she would think or suspect that my house is not fine enough. That's why I don't want her to come to my house. I better go. I'm not doing restaurants, please.
If you ask me, I think this whole thing is just unnecessary.
Babe, it's very necessary.
If you say so.
I will never let Ijoma look down on me. I want her to know that I'm doing well in life, that she's not the only person doing well in life. In fact, better than she is.
I really hope this whole thing doesn't backfire on you.
Baby, nothing is going to backfire. Just stop being pessimistic.
Okay.
Babe, see this one.
This one is 300,000 and 50,000 for caution fee.
We can do this one now, baby. Let's take this one. Yes. What I need is a small loan of about 500k. Of course, I can pay the 10% interest. You have nothing to worry about. You will get your money on time. I completely understand. Even me, I don't like to owe people, so I'm sure you get your money on or before the agreed date. Yes. Okay. Thank you. So I'll send my account number. All right. Yes. This man asleep. Baby. Wake up. I need you to try this outfit I rented for you. Up you go. Wake up.
So what do you say?
I said you need to try the outfit I rented for you. So wake up.
To represent as an oil company worker.
Oh, babe, no, I'm not going to wear rented clothes. No, I'm not going to do that.
What is the problem with you? What do you want to wear? Do you want to wear shorts and polo for this kind of occasion? Come on now, wake up, I beg.
Oh, babe, I said no. Can I capital letter no? I'm not going to wear them. No, I'm not.
Perry, why are you so difficult? Do you know how much I rented these clothes? You want it to go to waste?
How much did you rent them?
You won't believe it if I tell you, so it doesn't matter. Just know that the clothes is very expensive. So please, try it on.
I'm not going to do that. No, not me.
This is the first time I'm asking you to do something for me and you're being this difficult? After everything I've done for you?
Oh.
This is not fair. Perry, this is not fair. Every time I support everybody, but nobody wants to support me.
Oh, God.
It's not fair now. It's not fair. You don't want to wear it on me.
Okay, no, it's okay. It's okay. Just give me. I'll wear it. It's okay. Yeah.
I'll wear it now so that if it's not your size, if it doesn't sit perfectly in your body, I'll just exchange it with another one. Then that reminds me, I need to call the food vendor to make sure that everything will be set and delivered on time. Oh yeah, now go and try it on now, please. Stand up. Stand up now. Perry, what's going on now?
Oh, this engine again.
Oh, this car has been to the mechanic almost every day in 1 week now. What is this? See, I think we should just call Ola and rent a car to take us to the house.
It's not only call Ola. Again. Everything about us today is either rented or borrowed. What now?
What's wrong with that? Haven't you heard of the term fake it till you make it? See the way I'm looking now. Look at me. You want me to enter this thing to go to that house? I better go. Please, that's an error already. Let's rent a Range Rover or a Mercedes Benz that will take us there so that everything will be complete. Yes. It's even God that made this car to stop because we cannot go with this car.
Madam.
Oga.
I am not calling Ola.
Call Ola.
I'm not calling him.
What's your problem?
Leave me.
And you start something, at least finish it, Isabel. Call him. Call him. Bring your phone. Bring your phone and call this man now. Where's your phone?
Uche!
Uchenna, I know you are in there. Come outside like a man. Come outside. Come outside. You are not a Tolo wife. Now, it's time to pay money. She's inside hiding. Come outside. Let her come outside. She can face a man. You don't want to come out? I'm going to show you when I'm back. I'll show you the reason why they call me one Ayoeze. One. Let's go. I'll be back. Okay.
What? Give me that. This is not for you, it's for our guests.
But babe, I've started drinking. Let me just finish it.
No, I don't want you finishing any drinks or getting drunk today. We have food, we have drinks, but I still feel like we're forgetting something.
Mm-hmm. Have you called her?
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
And you knew I was forgetting something. Let me call her. Hi, IJ. Yes, I'm just checking in with you. Did you get the address I sent? You're on your way already. Awesome. We're waiting for you. Okay, see you soon. Oh. Babe, look around. Does this house look like our home? What's wrong with you? Why would you spoil this thing?
It does it, nice. It's not our
You
house.
should just snap a quick picture, get somebody to frame it and put it here. So that...
Are you okay?
Uche, how are we going to this place?
How else? We enter bus at the junction now. What?
You and who will use bus? Please call Destiny, let him borrow you his car. Let's use, I beg.
I don't understand because Destiny bought his car for us to be using for him now. Huh? We'll enter bus at the junction. When we get to the junction, we'll enter bus. What's wrong with that?
Uche, I'm not entering bus like with you dressed like this. Call Destiny, let him borrow you his car.
Okay. You're ashamed of entering bus to go and see your friend that you want to impress with your fake life. Abi, it's all right. We can do this. When we get to their junction, we'll book a ride that will carry us to their house.
With the ride, wait for us till we are done with this thing. With the ride, wait. Just call Destiny to borrow you his car. He's not even using the car for anything.
So
call him.
The fact that he's not using his car, does that mean that we can now be using the car?
Just call him first now. You don't have car, you will not call somebody that have car. Call him.
You're stressing me, oh. Ijoma, you're stressing me. I never agreed to be here in the first place. I never agreed for this outing.
You don't have car, you will not call somebody that has car.
I've not spoken with Destiny in a long time.
Just
Me
call
now,
Destiny.
I'm just calling him out of the blue to ask for his car. Who does that?
Hello. You are welcome.
Welcome,
Please, come in.
welcome to our humble abode.
Nice to meet you. bro.
Welcome.
Yeah.
I see the way you're looking around. I know you like it. I know you like it. This is actually the smallest one we have here in Lagos. Yes, we have a replica of this in Spain. Please make yourself comfortable.
Please have a seat.
Have a seat, please.
Yeah.
The dress is not bad. It's not bad. I have the white of this. Yes.
So once again, you are welcome to our humble abode, and it's really nice to see you again.
Yeah. So what would you like to drink? Baby?
Yeah.
How about we open up that bottle we got from Spain? The bottle of wine for $10,000.
Nah, it's okay.
Is it the last time we went to our house in Spain?
Yeah.
We got this bottle of wine for $10,000. And I promise you, you would love to taste it. Do us the honors, baby.
Of course. So I will join you guys in a jiffy, all right?
I think I should assist you.
Please, after you, my darling.
Thank you. You're so sweet.
All right, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Yeah, thank you.
Wow, wow, wow. This is nice. They've got taste. So good. Like this.
Every time you be embarrassing me outside. What's your problem? What is nice about this house now? It's not even all that. It's not. What is your problem? What is nice about the house?
Ijoma, stop hating, okay? When you see the truth, you say it. This is beautiful. Look at the curtains, man. Look at the texture. Like,
Curtain that you can buy from Yaba, will you keep short? Even the TV is not even that big. Look, what brand is it? So they couldn't buy Samsung or Sony, expensive one.
this massive TV, that's what you're
I beg, the TV is not that big. Massive TV. If you on it and the picture will not be clear.
Which one do you have in our house? Huh? It's okay.
You know, sometimes I wonder whether you're for me or for against me. Because what's your problem?
What's actually getting me confused is the fact that you're here when obviously you don't like this lady. You don't like her. So what are you doing here? What are we doing here?
See, let me tell you something. That Tejiri, she's a liar. I've known that girl for a long time now. I know what she's capable of doing. This house, it's not a house. It's not a house.
And how do you know that?
Before we leave here, we will find out the truth. This house is not a house. Tejiri.
If they ask me, the only person lying here is you with your fake lifestyle.
I'm the one that is lying. Does this place smell like oil money to you? Eh? This thing is not easy. See, this thing is not. I can bet anything. This house is not a house.
This is real oil
What
money.
is there? Look at this thing. You can buy it on the Shaman market. This thing there's. What's your problem? Sleep there. You're embarrassing me, I beg.
Now that I'm thinking about it,
Yeah.
we are not supposed to serve our guests ourselves. I mean, how many rich men do you see serving their guests by themselves? They always have maids, cooks, cleaners, everything.
Oh, well, that's easy. You could just come up with a valid reason as to why we don't have a maid. It's simple. So.
Okay. You have a point. Get a drink.
Okay, yeah.
We're so sorry for keeping you waiting. Yes, you know we have to do these things ourselves.
Yeah.
Our housemaid is not around. She's pregnant.
Oh, wow. That must be really hard for you guys.
I just get another one now. It's not that expensive.
Oh, it's not about the money. Of course, you know, money is obviously not a problem. It's just that we don't want too many people coming in and out of this house. I mean, look at this place. I don't want anybody to steal anything. Just that piece there is over hundreds of thousands of dollars. So we have to be careful.
Oh, wow. Wow. I can imagine. Actually.
And also, I had a different impression about your house, though. You know, it doesn't really look like the house of people that work in oil company. You know, like my cousin, he works in an oil company. Over 20 cars.
Oh, really?
When I came in, you just one Range Rover, so I'll be hiding your other cars.
Oh, no. My husband and I are just a simple couple. We don't like to show off. You know, besides, buying too many cars is littering the environment. It's unhealthy. How many cars can we possibly drive at a time? You understand? And we don't want to make people jealous. People will get jealous and envious, and before you know, they want to kill you and inherit your properties and money. What's the need? And you, you guys came in a Toyota Highlander? Yeah. I mean, who still drives Toyota?
Oh, no, it's one of our cars, honestly. And when we want to go to
thank you, baby.
important places, we whip out the expensive car.
Oh.
When we're going to North Sea, you know, we just whip out that one. It's a family car.
Oh, that's nice. My husband and I, we go everywhere with expensive cars. We don't have to select cheap cars or small places. Also, baby, you know, we're talking about the Benz and the Tesla. What do you think? We don't know. We are really contemplating on which one to get. The G-Wagon or a Tesla? Advise us, yeah.
A Benz, obviously. I drive a Benz. So.
Huh? You
Yeah.
You don't look like you drive a Benz.
Oh, sorry. Okay. I am so sorry to interrupt this beautiful moment. It's just I'm really pressed and I have to use the restroom.
Just use the one behind you.
Over there.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Baby?
Yeah.
I want to show you something in the kitchen.
Okay. All right. So,
Yes, come on.
after you.
Ijoma.
What?
I don't like this.
What?
Stop this thing. It's making me really uncomfortable. I don't like it. These people could be our destiny helpers.
Hey, God forbid.
What's God forbid? What?
He can never be our destiny helper.
God forbid, Chineke pulling one job, God forbid. What's your problem? If Tejiri helps us, that means CNN has carried the news. So Tejiri can never help us. Please, clean your mouth. Clean your mouth. Can't be saying that kind of rubbish.
Joma,
Uche.
you need to stop this. This is insane.
This is why you called me.
Yes.
This is why you called me.
You're taking this thing too far.
Uchenna.
Joma.
Uchenna.
No, Ijo.
Let's go, guys. Have a seat. Food is about to be served.
Yes, my wife's food is superb.
Yeah, it's Tejiri. Where is Nana to be a good cook?
That is the very reason why that wife's one cook.
Let me help. Here we go. There'll be no need for that. You're my guest, so please sit and relax while I take care of you.
If you don't want me to help you, let me see your kitchen.
Actually, there's no need for that.
It's fine, Tejiri. But come on, we're old friends. Let's see. Let me see your kitchen.
If you insist. You didn't go? No, I did not. I was too tired, so I ordered food from my food. IJ, what are you doing?
I'm looking for your pots.
You're looking for my pots. Why? Anyways, I don't keep my pots in the kitchen. They're always on the stove.
Your kitchen is fine.
I know. Thank you. All the same.
Father, in the name of Jesus, we thank you for this wonderful meal. Father, let this food nourish our bodies and let the prayer nourish our spirits in Jesus' name.
Amen.
And may you instill in us the spirit of truth to always tell the truth at all times in Jesus' name.
Amen. And the grace and spirit of tolerance. The Lord, we pray in Jesus' name.
And prevent us from choking while eating. In Jesus' name.
Amen. And Father, Lord, we pray that the spirit of tolerance and the grace to walk in your truth, Lord God, rest upon us in Jesus' precious name.
Amen.
Please.
Is this where the food ended?
Excuse me?
I think what my beautiful wife is trying to say is thank you.
Oh. So it's okay.
It's okay.
But you should have added salad or plantain.
Listen, my husband and I don't like to eat too much. Yes, we're not gluttons.
Oh.
Yes.
But not exactly gluten. So we just eat little.
Very little.
Yeah, eating healthy, but there's no fruit on the table. And this chicken is dry. It's hard, and the chicken is
When was the last time you ate chicken?
But I must say, your house is really giving, exquisite.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because this happens to be one of the least of our properties, you know. Yeah, we're going to buy the next house, you know, but I had a little bit of frozen assets. Yeah, then while the investigation was on, I really wanted to get another house. You know, then the whole Spain house thing came up because that's the only place I could access most of my funds. You know, then we got the house and, you know.
The house in Spain.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I think it's going to rain.
Oh, yeah.
So the weather forecast.
I wonder what this ladies are still talking about.
Well, they're in the kitchen.
Babe! It's about to rain. We have to go.
We can't go if it wants to rain now. You know how the roads are bad. Can't drive in the flood. Let's wait out the rain.
Are you sure about that? I mean, we can if we leave now, we can get home before it really starts.
No, the road is bad. No, now let's not go through that. Let's wait a bit for the rain to die down.
I hope you guys don't mind.
Thank you. You know how Lagos flood can be. Be quiet now. Let's not carry that mask and enter the rain. Do you have money for mechanic?
Ijoma. I don't like this. I told you from the jump. We shouldn't have borrowed Destiny's car.
Yeah, who borrowed car? Close your mouth.
You borrowed car.
Tejiri, thank you so much for hosting us.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Anyway, I've been speaking to my husband.
Okay.
With the rain and everything, it would not be nice that we drive in this rain, you know.
And it's late. I'm not really comfortable driving at night when it's raining. So I don't know if we can just stay over. We'll leave in the morning.
It's not even looking like the rain is going to stop anytime soon.
At all, it won't stop. It won't stop.
I'm very sorry for the inconvenience.
Abi, you don't have spare room.
Oh, no, we have a lot of rooms. We have about 8 rooms in this house.
Okay. So we'll just leave in the morning. It's not a big deal. Don't worry. Just sorry for inconveniencing you.
Very sorry. Very sorry.
Okay. Yeah, sure, it's fine.
Yes, very early in the morning.
You can stay.
It's just the rain. If not for the rain, why would we want to sleep here?
No, you can stay. You can stay for 1 week if you want to.
That's so generous of you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Uche, this bedsheet does not smell like house bedsheet.
Aiji, what is your problem? Stop.
Stop what? Can't you see that she's lying? Can you not see it?
What is your business if she's lying?
My business is that I don't like her she's lying because she's making me feel like I've not achieved anything in life. And it does not make sense. How can someone that owns a house, you don't know where your pot is? I asked her, she said her pot is in the store. Kiri me pot good in the store as pot good in the store. How? That's not possible. She's lying. There's no bed. I know that it's not a house, but at least you should have gotten a house that the bed is good. I'll just wake up with back pain now for nothing.
Can we just go to bed in peace and leave this place tomorrow?
The way this thing is, I will not sleep well. I will wake up with body pains. Look at now. What kind of bed is this?
Okay.
Yeah, no sound. No sound in the bed. Need you pull clothes.
Good night. I love you. Bye.
You too, bye. That's why they've been using your senses. Cannot see what I'm seeing.
It's okay. We just have to find a way to get them out of this house before 8 a.m.
And how do you intend to do that?
I don't know. Just figure something out. I'll tell them you have an early morning meeting and I have to go to church.
Tejiri, why will you even tell her that I'm a masseuse now?
But baby, it's not a big deal now. Why are you making it sound like a big deal? All you need to do is just press her neck until she feels better.
I just press her neck until she feels better. How? Why would you even tell that kind of lie?
I wanted her to think we've gone to the Caribbeans now.
Caribbean, eh? You can't went to Caribbean.
Baby,
Leave me.
no, baby, please now. I had the opportunity to boast to her and I couldn't resist it.
But babe, honestly, why all these unnecessary lies?
I just told you that I wanted her to think that we've... Babe, please now, just do it for me. I'm begging you.
I'm not doing it.
It's not even a big deal.
I am not doing it in caps.
Pere, you're wicked though. You're wicked. How are you even my husband? If it's me now, I will do it for you. Is there anything you've ever asked me to do for you that I don't do for you? I don't even complain. I just do it. But every time I ask you to do me a favor, if no matter how small it is, the littlest of things, you complain, you nag, you make it seem like it's a big deal. It's not fair now. It's not fair, but no problem. This is how you want to live life, right? No problem. Just know in this life, what you sow is what you must reap.
Babe, see, you see this your emotional blackmail? It's not going to work on me. Just so you know. I'm not doing it.
The truth is, it's fine. I don't blame you. I blame myself. You know why I blame myself? I blame myself for thinking that you ever loved me. Because it's obvious that you never loved me. You're just using me. I don't have nobody loves me. I don't have anybody in my life that loves me. I'm alone. Even my own husband that is supposed to be my backbone.
Relax yourself.
No,
it's okay.
please, it's only one neck I have.
Okay, it's okay. Then you come this way.
Okay.
Then you just...
Okay.
Then...
Bro, are you sure you know what you're doing? Because
of course. I've done this quite a few times.
Are you sure? Don't break my wife's neck.
It's okay. It's okay. Alright? Just you relax yourself, okay?
Yes.
Alright, so... quite a few times. So
Are you sure? Of course. So take it easy. Don't break my wife's neck. No,
it's okay. Then
Uchenna, tell him to move my neck back. Uchenna, tell him to move my neck back. Yeah, Uchenna.
Careful. Sorry, no. Sorry.
Jesus.
Are you okay?
How can I be okay? Can you not see it on my neck? Jesus.
Sorry.
Antigua and Barbados, my foot. Go they lie. As if she's the only one that ever traveled in this life.
I must admit, the whole Caribbean island thing was just so unnecessary. Easy, you calm down. So you're not going to add on top of the one that's already doing you. Don't be talking too much. Anyways, that's actually her business. At least now that you've sprained your neck, you can rest.
What do you mean?
I mean, since you met this girl, it just feels like you guys are in some sort of competition or something. I don't even understand.
Wait, what if we're competing? What if we're competing?
Please, update me because it feels like I'm not updated. What are you guys competing for?
Well,
be careful. Your neck will break totally if you continue like this.
Honestly, you're the one that is giving me headache now. You want my neck to break, but what's your problem?
I'm trying
Leave me alone. I beg, if I just please stop talking to me. Come and remove this thing and massage it so you can put the oil.
You say what?
Remove this thing now. Remove it.
Sorry, it's my ear. I don't know. It's like something is blocking my ear. What did you say again?
Please, come and help me to remove this thing so that you can massage it with oil.
You know how to say please?
Please.
If you have any respect, see what you cause on yourself. Huh? Only you. I don't know who sent you. Nobody sent you.
So, this is the receipt from the car rental from.
What? 700,000 gone just like that.
Well, apparently fake life isn't so cheap after all.
That's what you have to say.
What else do you want me to say? Because you're clearly obsessed with showing this woman you're better than her. I'd like to know why exactly.
You really want to know why?
Please, tell me.
We had a fight back then in school. And she told me that if we ever met again, I will beg to be associated with her.
But you're not begging to be associated with her.
Exactly.
Sorry.
Small now.
I'm doing it small now. How else do you want me to do it? Sorry.
So you're putting her in front of my neck. You want to strangle me.
Ijoma.
Sorry.
I'm not the cause of your problem. Just calm down. Relax.
I'm calm. Why you no? Before you don't put me in, because
I am doing what I can do, okay? Relax. You feel better now?
No.
Well, I hate to say this, but it serves you right. Yes. You know, life has a very funny way of humbling us. Hope you've learned your lesson.
Life is funny, Sha. And this girl is close friends.
So there's a backstory. Okay, tell me. What happened?
She betrayed me.
How? Careful. Sorry.
I used to be very popular in school.
Mm-hmm. Janet Jackson.
This thing is not funny.
Okay. I'm listening. Continue.
I didn't know that Tejiri envied me. But we became friends, really close. Apparently, she only got close to me because she wanted to find out more about me and my family. So when she eventually found out that my parents were not as rich as the school thought, she came to school and then she spread the rumor and just ruined my reputation. When I found out she was one that spread the rumor, confronted her. We even fought. And then she cursed me and said that I will remain poor and that I will never ever become rich.
Wow. That was very childish of her.
My point exactly. And this thing pain me. This thing pain me.
No, that was wrong. So wrong.
Listen, babe, you really don't have to prove anything to her.
I have everything to prove to her. Otherwise, she would think she's doing better than me.
Can you hear yourself? This is childish.
That's your cup of tea.
Oh, babe, if she's as wealthy as she claims, why not just settle with her, settle your relationship with her, rather than these so petty fights?
If. You used the word if. Wait, are you trying to say that perhaps she's lying about her husband?
Honestly, at this point, I don't know what's going on. I really don't know. I don't want to pry.
I think I have to investigate.
What's even paining me now is that she will not be thinking that she has more money than me. That satisfaction that she has like this, I don't want it. I don't like that she has a satisfaction.
Alright, babe. Listen to me. Life is not a competition. Okay? We just have to be content with what we have. I get it. I know you want more. I want more too. But don't forget that we used to do so well. I was so good at some point. My business was thriving. You know, things were going so good. It's just life happened. Yes, things are not the way they used to be, but then I strongly believe that we will be fine. We'll get back to our feet. We just have to be patient. Okay? I understand that this woman wronged you in the past, but just let it go. Let it go. You can't spend your energy trying to fight this woman.
Me, I'm not fighting anybody. You just vexing me and explaining me because how is it that she has more money now? Why is she even rich? Do you know that I was supposed to win Miss Campus Universe that year? Because of the rumor that this girl spread, I did not win it again. That Miss Campus Universe, we were going to get modeling gigs, travel opportunities, plenty things. This girl just carried sand and poured inside my career and spoiled everything for me.
Hey, yeah, sorry. Ndo, oh, I understand you. Totally, I do. But just let it go. Let bygones be bygones, okay?
I've heard you. I've let bygones be bygones.
That's good. It's okay.
But me, I want you to hear me out.
Hear you out on what again?
I've let bygones be bygones.
So what do you want me to hear you out for?
Thank you. So now you will help me. Because I want to really find out whether that husband is working with that oil company. So you help me to just become his friend. Just befriend him and find out whether he's truly working in oil company.
Of what use would this information be to you?
If I die now, my spirit will not rest in peace because I don't have this information. I will be wandering the earth. But if you find this information for me and I die, I will rest in peace.
Ijoma, I'm not doing it. Okay? You're not going to drag me into this childish nonsense going on between you and this lady. Okay? I am not going to help you.
You're not doing it.
I'm not.
You will not help me.
I'm not helping you. Also this.
You won't help. It's your final chance. You will not help me. It's okay. I'll do it by myself. Find out. If it's to cheat now, you will do it. Unapologetic. But to help your wife.
Here we go again. Here we go again. You see, the day you will drop this matter of cheating, the day you will drop this matter, I will buy 4 cows. I will kill 4 cows.
If you like, kill 8. The main thing now is that you say you will not help the wife that you wedded lawfully. But if it's to cheat now, also you will go.
I did not cheat on you.
But you were on your way there.
About to.
What is the difference? You have already conceived the thought in your mind. What's the difference? I'm sure now it's that you're cheating, that God is using to punish me now, because normally I will not break my neck, but he has looked at your sins and he said the sins of the fathers will follow the children. Because I'm with you, suddenly I've broken my neck. Have I broken my neck before?
Okay.
Have I broken my neck before?
I see what you're doing here.
Look at what you are doing. Your wife that is sick says you should help her to do something. You say no, you will not do. But if it's to cheat now, no problem. You will not do, Abi. You will not do. It's okay.
No, it's my fault.
It's your fault. It's your fault.
Ijoma, I'm not
it's
the cause
your
of the
fault.
problem.
Yeah, the cause of my problem.
I am not the cause
Help
of
me
the
to become
problem.
friends with somebody. You say no.
And I did not cheat on you.
You cheated.
So let that matter go.
You cheated.
I did not cheat on you.
Cheating starts from when you start the conversation. Once you start the conversation, it's cheating.
Yes, that was wrong of me to do. But
that
then
was
I
wrong
did
of
not
you.
actually cheat.
That was wrong of you.
I
You
did not
cheated.
cheat.
You cheated.
What?
Go and
Liking
become friends
myself?
with somebody. You refused. You refuse wickedness like this.
Ijoma, I will not be friends with that man because you want me to. You're not going to manipulate me into doing it.
I'm not manipulating you. Look
So what
at
are you
me.
doing? You're emotionally blackmailing me right now. That's exactly what you're doing.
I'm not emotionally blackmailing you. If you say you will not do, Shebi I say it's fine. I will do it by myself.
Then let it go.
I've let it go.
So what are we doing?
I've let it go.
What
But
are we
you
talking
also
about?
need to be reminded of your transgressions. You were going to cheat. A cheater. Nonsense. Don't help me to become friends. You refuse. Help me to become. You refuse, Abi. You like as my enemies are mocking me. You like it.
Baby?
Yeah, hey babe.
What are you doing?
Well, I'm just, trying to check it out.
Babe. Babe. What's the name of that company IJ says her husband owns?
I don't remember. Why are you asking?
I'm just doing a little research and I want to know if he really owns the company as she claims.
Why is that even necessary?
Babe, I just said I'm doing a research. It's not that serious. So do you remember it or not?
Honestly, I really don't remember.
I know. I know she said something tech. I don't know. You don't remember?
At all. For real, honestly. Yeah.
So how am I supposed to? Hold on. Maybe I can find them on social media. I just need to use her maiden name. Yes! That's it, baby! Ijoma Machuku. Bingo! Yes. If the wife is now Ijoma Machuku, that means the husband is Uche Machuku. Let me type that in. Uche Machuku Tech. Okay.
Pelum's Oil and Gas. Pelum's.
Why is this Uchenwachuku? Tech companies and Nigeria. There is no Uchenwachuku.
Yes, his name is Pere Daniels. That's the name. Pere Daniels. Check your database. Maybe people have not added him yet. But he's a staff there. I'm very sure he's a staff. Pere Daniels. Are you sure you have checked well? You can't find his name. Should I spell it for you? Yes, Pere Daniels. It's not there. It's not on your system. No problem. It's fine. It's okay. Thank you. I knew this thing. I knew it. I knew.
Hey, baby.
Babe, is this thing not suspicious?
What's that?
Uchenwachuku is supposedly the owner of a tech company, right? I have checked everywhere on Google and I can't find anything with his name relating to tech.
Okay.
So I think IJ is lying.
Alright, so what if she lied to you? So what? After all, you lied. Yeah, you lied about me working in an oil company when I have not even sold one bottle of groundnut oil before. How about that?
That's all you have to say?
Well, that is exactly what I have to say. Yeah. If you excuse me, I have a client to attend to while I go dress up and head out to go see my client because I have work to do.
Wait. Every day you have one client or the other to go see. What difference does it make? Do you bring anything home? The couple people that have work to come out.
Babe, do you know that you're not such a very supportive wife?
What is that supposed to mean?
Yes, what I'm trying to say is that because every other woman, spouse that I know about, they run and fly with the spouse's business. But it's not like that with you. Instead, you use your time to do investigative journalism for only God knows what. It's not a very nice thing to do, my dear. Trust me. I'll see you. Okay. Bye.
Bye to you too.
Bye.
Uchenwachuku. I'm not done with you yet.
Uche, you need to come with me now.
Why? What happened?
Because she lied. Her husband does not work in any oil and gas company. I called them and they don't know anybody by that name.
If the man actually works in an oil company, do you think they would just give out his details like that?
Not when I told them I'm a customer that wants to do business with the man.
Ijoma, you're taking this thing way too far. You have to stop. For real. You can't just tamper with someone's source of livelihood like that.
What's
it's wrong.
Big English? Now you helping me or not?
I'm not helping you.
So you're not coming with me?
I'm not going anywhere with you. And if you get arrested, I'm telling you right now, I'm not going to bail you. Just know that.
Hello, sir.
Have you packed out of my house?
Oga landlord, good morning, sir. So,
What is good about this morning? Look, I am giving you until this Friday, which is tomorrow, to back out of my house. I am coming with the police on Friday. I don't want to see you in my compound again. Is that clear?
Oga landlord, the thing is, like, I feel we can actually... Hello? Oga landlord?
You're still here? Go on inside and lock the door.
Ijeoma, the landlord is serious about us leaving his house. And we have to leave this week.
Okay.
So this is what I'm going to do. I have to find an agent that will help us get an apartment. A good accommodation, even if it's self-contained. At least we can manage for now.
Eh? You and who will stay in self-contained?
I don't understand. Is it you and your father? It's me and you, my dear. You and I. We'll manage. That's what I can afford for now. Even when the self-contained comes, the money is not even available. I have to find who I'll borrow from to be able to pay for the rent. If you have an alternative, let me know. Do you? Exactly what I thought.
God! Wait, am I saying correctly? A photographer. Uche Machuku is a photographer. Ha! IJ. And I'll present you the award.
Location and I'll be there. Alright, thank you.
What did you say?
He wants me to meet him at the location.
Oh yeah, let's go now.
No, don't worry. You don't have to stress yourself. I'll go check it out, then I'll call you on video call so you can see the place.
Okay. Oh, well.
Hopefully, it's as good as it looks here. So I'll go there and see a totally different thing.
No problem.
I'll be back.
So see, bro, yeah, you see a T-junction at, so you've seen the T-junction, okay, just keep coming, come all the way down, yeah. So while coming, you see a transformer at this junction, yeah. At the junction of the transformer, there's a street opposite it, just walk into the street, yeah. You meet me there. Okay. All right, I'm with you. Okay, you're almost there, okay, all right, bro, yeah. Are you the one looking for the self-contained apartment?
Yeah. Are you the house agent?
Mm-hmm. Now which guy wahala be this man safe now?
What problem with this?
Wait to.
No, you wait first. I thought you work in an oil company. What happened?
Abeg comot for here jare. Wait, see I thought your wife said you own a tech company, yeah? Wait, your Benz nko?
You know they see am, like this Benz now.
Oh boy, fake life won't wound the wound all of us, but
oh boy!
I wish kind wahala be this one.
I'm coming. Who are you looking for?
Now my money I can't collect.
I don't understand.
Last week Thursday, you called me say you need loan, 500,000. I be not be you.
Oh, the money lender?
Now maybe that.
Oh, but it's not end of the month yet.
Now every week I dey collect my own interest, 10%. No pass like that.
What? Nobody told me that.
Hey, the person will give you my number. He no tell you say now weekly we dey collect interest.
Not at all. All he said was if I wanted fast loan, I should call this number, which happened to be your number. No. That you will not ask me any questions. So I don't understand this one you're saying now.
Okay, the form when I send you not see am.
I don't see any form.
I send you form. When you sign, consent, give me, send them back to me. For second page, that place where they say terms and conditions. Right hand there.
I didn't read it. I didn't think I needed to read it.
You ain't go school. You dey sign something you no read that. No take me play. I go enter off with you now.
Is this a joke?
Okay. Sorry.
I didn't
that side, he talks say now every week I go dey collect interest. Now 10% oh. Big man.
Wait, Oga, you want to collect 10% interest every week?
Now so we dey do am.
That is ridiculous. How am I supposed to pay 10% per week? Yeah. It's usually monthly.
Yeah. Sorry, oh. I have 10% we dey collect every week.
No.
If you dey look for a loan when we say na 10% monthly, why you come to me? Why you no go back?
Oga, I didn't sign up for this. You think you want to cheat me? There is no way I'm giving you 10% weekly. Yeah. You wait at the end of the month, I pay you your 10%.
Don't be this one you go when you dey talk so. If I enter rough.
Okay, enter rough now. Oh, you think you can challenge? Now make we enter rough. I don't have any 10% to give anybody. I don't have it. This you wait month end, I'll pay you your money. You want to come and cheat me?
House?
My brother, ever since my wife met with your wife, it's been one problem or the other. She's just plotting one nonsense or the other. It's just so much madness going on in the house now.
My brother, that's exactly the same thing I'm going through.
What's this?
My house. My wife has lost it. And she's dragging me into her madness. Like, I am fed up and tired.
So bro, what do you think is a likely solution we do to solve this whole thing? Because if we don't solve this whole mess, it's going to escalate. I can see that coming.
You're right. I think I have a solution.
And what would that be?
We should get them to sit and talk. Yes, even if they have to fight, let them fight. But they have to sit and talk things out tonight.
How do you intend achieving this? Sit and talk.
Don't worry about that. You just send me your house address. I'll talk to my wife, then I'll bring my wife over to yours.
Okay. So I'll just text you my address now. So we'll take it up from there.
Sure.
Yeah. All right. So, oh, sorry. So 1 second. Hello? Are you serious? Nice. Okay, do you know, just give me some time, I'll be home in a jiffy, okay? Alright. Oh, bro.
Everybody okay?
Yeah, just, this emergency house thing, my wife, and a lot of story, But I'll show you the apartment. Okay. You check it. If it's what you like, then I'll take it off from there. Okay. Or we will take it off from there. Sure. All right? Sure. All right. So, but bro, please make sure you bring your wife over. Let's squash this thing out once and for all, please.
My brother, don't worry about it. Once I'm done here,
okay.
I'll go home, talk to my wife. I'm bringing her over to your place immediately.
Okay.
This madness must be resolved.
Yes,
today.
Please.
So
yeah.
just show me
I'll text you the address now.
Once we're done here, you
text you the address now. Right? Yeah.
Madam, my money I can't collect. You know, pass that one. My 10% interest when I collect every week.
Bros, I cannot and will not pay you any money. Are you a thief? thief? Oh, you want to come and who the hell collects 10% every week?
They owe me. You will give me my money.
No, I will not.
So that beg, just let me calm down and beg.
Carry gun.
Tell me to calm down. You don't hear the shout for me. Now she go calm down.
Why don't go shout?
I don't come follow you.
Who carry gun now? Want to become a thief? Carry gun. Let's know that you are actually a thief. An armed robber.
Calm down. Let's settle this in amicably now.
I'm waiting. I don't go for that nonsense. 50,000 naira. Now I go collect today my weekly interest. You know, pass like that.
Mr. Man, let me make something very clear to you. You see that money? To God who made me, you will not see it. Wake up from your dream because I will not give you any money.
See where go school like you. You know fit read test and condition.
Now you sabi that one. You think say if to say you tell me, you think say if to say you tell me say na 10% weekly I go still collect the money? Eh? You no tell me. Now you won't come thief from me. It no go happen. It no go happen.
Wait. If I enter rough with you see this cho where you dey? You go calm down.
Hey, wait, small yansh dey shake. You want to enter rough with me? Go and ask questions. You know who I am? You don't hear my name? Tejiri Abiwafi Bebo. No try am o. No try am. Come out now. Come out. Don't better leave me. Okay. That's how you stand. People will be cheating you up and down. Look at this thief. You be thief.
What's all these ones now?
My love, we've gotten a space. So get dressed. Let's go check it out.
Have you seen your Instagram page lately?
What happened?
Someone has been posting negative comments under all your posts.
I don't understand. What? Who's this person? Are you serious? What's this? What's with all the negative comments? I don't even know who this person is.
I know who this person is. It's Tejiri. Tejiri is the one that is dropping all these negative comments. She's the one.
How are you sure about that?
I know what my enemies look like. I know what my enemies are capable of, and this is what Tejiri can do. This is Tejiri. Not anybody wants to tell me it's Tejiri. Oh God.
Okay, you know what, just get dressed. Let's go. Let's go out.
She thinks she's the only one that can spread rumors. I will show this girl. I will show her.
Baby, calm down. Okay, relax. Showroom. Showstopper. Calm down. It's my page. It's my account, Abi. Relax. Showroom. Showstopper. Calm down. Every small thing you show this, you show that. What do you want to show her?
Shebi, you will see which me and you are in this house. You will see when I will show her.
Ijoma, honestly, I'm tired of this madness between you and this lady. It has to stop. You can't continue like this.
She's the one that's looking for trouble.
It's enough.
Can you imagine? Just imagine the rubbish. Imagine the rubbish now. Imagine the nonsense.
Ijoma.
Why are you shouting my name?
Get up. Get dressed. Let's go out.
Am I naked? Should I wear Christmas? It's not to go and see house.
Okay, let's go.
Tell you what my enemies are doing. You're telling me let's go and see house. House is important to me.
Oh my God.
Tejiri.
Who is there? Who is there? Hey, hey, bro. Hey.
How you doing?
Hey.
Just come in.
Oh, hey.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
man.
you. Thank you very much. Please, come. Hello.
Uche, what are we doing here? Is this the house you want to see?
Babe, calm down. My love, this is Tejiri and Perry's apartment. Yes, Perry and I had a conversation earlier and we came to a conclusion that you and Tejiri will sit and iron out your differences, okay?
Yeah, Tekena, come inside.
Wait first.
Go.
Did you say
Come here.
this is Tejiri's apartment? As in Tejiri, this is where you live. Look at your house. You can't even afford to buy good paint. The paint is peeling. What happened to that mansion that you took us to?
Eh? Which mansion?
Okay, they have a mansion at Chevron Estate. You are the one that's a liar. I don't know you're the one that has been dropping negative comments under my husband's post on Instagram. You want them to take down his page.
Me? So you have mansion for Chevron. You can't lie for me all this while, Abi. I be like swagger for your eye.
She's lying. We don't have any mansion anywhere. No mansion. No.
They even have Range Rover. They are planning to buy Tesla or Benz. They are confused. They are weighing their options because of the money that they have.
Sir, see, the only car we have is a Toyota. That's when they go mechanic every week.
No problem, no dey that one. No. By the time you reach station, you go begin to yarn this up and away to your mouth. Now, I need my money. You don't understand?
Sir, see, please. But this is not our agreement now.
You and who get agreement? Now that time that me, I no dey the mood for agreement again.
But sir, wait, if you can't go police station now, how you want to pay the money?
Make I tell you, see, respect, I don't want disregard. You say they hear me so.
No, leave her. Now the wife, now he owe us money.
Ijoma, I'm talking to you. What is wrong with you?
Why did you ambush me? Did I beg you to carry me to that stupid peacekeeping mission?
I'm so bloody what? Ijoma, is that why you added fuel to that situation?
Did I beg you? Did I tell you that I'm looking for peace? Did I tell you that I'm lacking peace in my home? Did I beg you? Did I beg you?
Ijoma, you're not a child. You're an adult. An adult, okay? And I've told you, whatever issue you had with this lady in the past, leave it in the past. This whole beef between you and this lady is going to end in a disaster.
Well, as you can see, she's in jail, so no more disasters.
I can still smell the urine.
Please do not remind me of that film, please.
Baby, did you see the brown smudge on the wall? It looked like feces. I'm traumatized.
Thank you for getting us into that mess. Because if it wasn't for you, we wouldn't have dealt with the trauma of sleeping in a cell.
Don't shout at me, oh. Don't shout at me, I beg. I'm too soft for all this shouting you're shouting now. I just want to go into the bathroom, shower properly, and go to work. At least one of us has to earn a living. Otherwise, hunger will descend upon us.
Tejiri.
What?
You really need to stop disrespecting me in this house. I also provide. I make money as well.
Where? Where's the money? Because if you actually make money like you claim, we wouldn't be in this situation in the first place.
Do not put this on me. Because if only you were content with being your real self, we wouldn't have landed in that mess. In a cell, can you imagine? Me! Hi! Ah!
Fraud? Babe, can you imagine? I have never scammed or defrauded anybody in my entire life. So where's this coming from?
No, I guess it's a mix-up somewhere, you know.
Or maybe someone is trying to frame me up.
How do you mean?
I think I know the witch that did this.
Witch?
Yes.
How?
IJ.
May please stop this nonsense, please.
Babe, this is not nonsense. IJ did it. The other day she confronted me for writing some comments on her husband's business page. She told me that I will see Shiggy. So this is it.
What comment did you post on her husband's page, Tejiri?
Babe, that's not the issue here.
And what is the issue?
The issue is IJ. I know she did this. She's a witch and she did this. She's the reason I'm in this situation. The more I think about it, the more I know she's responsible for it and she will not go scot-free.
Man, why are you guys acting like children?
two grown adults acting like this? That's not nice. And now you guys are playing with each other's source of livelihood? Make it make sense, Tejiri. Why?
That witch is not going to have the last laugh. I will fire her back.
You see?
She's playing with fire. She doesn't know.
You see? Why do I just have this feeling that you're not innocent here?
Okay.
Someone to borrow money from for the rent. And now, my Instagram business page has been deactivated. What are we going to do? How do we survive? And this is all your fault.
How is it my fault?
How is it your fault? Ijoma, today, you're going to resolve whatever it is you have with that lady. I'm telling you, today is the last day. Whatever that's going on between... Hello? Yeah. Exactly, very good. Yes, I like the idea. I'll come here right now. Okay. Get dressed. We're going out.
Where are we going to?
Somewhere. Get dressed. Now.
Hold on. Yeah, hold on, please.
Hey, my brother, how you doing?
Hey, man, I'm doing good, man.
Hold on.
You cannot force me to do anything. I don't like this thing. I don't like it.
My friend, sit down. Ijoma, now listen to me. I've had enough of this madness. If you value this marriage, you're going to fix this. Today, this madness has gone way too far.
Listen, today is the final chance. And today will determine how the rest of our lives, how the rest of this marriage is going to pan out.
Listen, since you both want to be children, stay here and be kids. That's fine. If you want to fix each other out, that's fine. But this must be resolved today.
I'm tired of this madness. I refuse to be a party to this. No, not me.
Ijoma, if you can't fix this today, consider this marriage over. You hear me? I won't let you ruin my life because of this petty thing going on between you two. Fix it. When you fix it, you call me.
Jenna.
I hear you.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. As quiet as the grave.
They'll be tearing each other up right now.
It's like you don't know women.
Women. They are my time. So talk. Honestly, this madness has cost me my business, cost me my peace of mind, everything. Like,
You see, this same thing has actually almost cost Tejiri her job. This same madness. Waiting.
things are so bad for us right now. We're about to get evicted from our apartment.
You don't mean it.
I'm telling you, bro. And the worst part is, I don't even have money to get us a new apartment. Because we spent our rent money. I don't know how I let Ijoma blackmail me into spending our rent money.
How do you mean blackmail?
My brother, long story, but to cut the long story short, I almost had an affair. I didn't do it, but I almost did it. You know that kind of thing where you say, boys will always be boys, I mean, nothing serious. The girl was really attractive, and I was flattered by the fact that she was interested in me. But then Ijoma caught me before anything even happened. She went through my phone and saw the messages, and my brother, since then, she has been on my neck. Every little thing, you're a cheat. You're a cheat. Now, for real, like, what she says now is,
I cheat with multiple women.
Just because that one time.
It's just one time, long time ago, just one lady. I didn't do anything. You just saw, the text message between this lady and I, and you just concluded that I'm a cheat, and I do it with several ladies. I take them to a hotel. I've not rested since that incident, honestly. And honestly, I just let her do her thing. I let her act up because I'm ashamed of myself for even considering cheating. So I just let her do her thing.
My own situation is kind of similar.
Really?
Yeah. At one point in my life, I lost my job. I had quite a lucrative job. I was doing okay. And then I lost it, and Tejiri has been holding it down financially in the house, and it's been quite difficult talking to her with my current situation. She's all swollen-headed. She doesn't listen to me. It's a whole roller coaster of event that I'm not even proud of anymore.
Because you're not providing.
You can imagine, do you know that feeling when you can't provide and your wife is like, any little thing you say, she's like,
I feel you, 100.
And now I need something lucrative, something meaningful I can do with myself now to get my position as the man of the house back. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. It's ridiculous, but it's what I'm living. That's my current reality. But I don't tire. I don't tire to be here talking I'm not supposed to hear. Inside my house, technically,
I understand how you feel.
Bro, it's tiring, man. But anyways, if you need quick cash, I have a friend that's getting married soon. So if you're interested, I can link you guys up, for your photography.
My brother, now wait till you talk small. Of course, I'm interested. I'm very
For real?
Yeah.
I can hit you up.
My nigga, I appreciate it.
Man.
Do you have anything to say to me?
Are you speaking to me?
I certainly wasn't speaking to my shadow. And we both know we need to leave this place. So let's just get on with it, okay? You may now tender your apology. I'm all ears.
I should apologize to you.
Mm-hmm.
Did you're the one that owes me an apology. You reported my husband's Instagram account and they deactivated it.
Well, you got me suspended.
How does that concern you?
How does it concern you? You think I don't know you were the one that reported my account? How could you lie about me being a fraud?
I don't know what they told you, but in all my talks, I did not mention fraud.
Actually, let me ask you a question. Why do you hate me so much? What did I ever do to you?
I don't hate you. I hate that you betrayed me, and all these years, I've not been able to move past it. You know you never apologized, right?
Well, I'm sorry.
For what?
What do you want me to say? Huh? I said I'm sorry. I was envious. I mean, you had... This is hard. You had everything that I wanted. And I was envious. I'm only human. I shouldn't have gossiped about you the way I did. I'm sorry.
You're a good friend. You knew things about me that the public didn't know, but yet you chose to wash my dirty linens in public and ruin my self-confidence, ruin my better chance at life.
I said I'm sorry. Okay, I'm only human. And it was a slip-up and I'm sorry. Please, let's just move on.
Life was so much better before finding out your child.
You're right. Everything fell apart during the final year. Do you remember when the course rep tried to ask you out? I can never forget your response.
That was the day I just knew that I would not have anything to do with that boy again like this. I wash my hands.
IJ. But you know that guy was helplessly in love with you. And the way I was looking at you, be like say your eye, the enter the guy. So
Your mouth. Your mouth.
no. I like you.
So don't say that kind of thing again, I beg. I don't like the guy, I beg. Not one bit. I don't want that one, I beg.
Wow. Are you guys don't fight, eh?
I'm sure they didn't fight.
My brother.
Mama time. So I want to say a very big thank you all for being here. But most of all, I want to appreciate you. Uche, a friend turned brother. Thank you very much. Thank you for introducing me to Mr. Abraham, who entrusted me to sell his properties for him. I really appreciate you, brother.
My brother, thank you so much for the kindness. But honestly, this all happened because of you. They introduced me to your friend who eventually introduced me to Mr. Abraham. So I should be the one thanking you.
That's a whole round table connect, you know.
Thank you, my brother.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome, bro. And I also want to appreciate both of you. Thank you very much for introducing us to each other. You know, that was how the whole thing started.
Very much.
Thank you guys so much.
See how it brings sparkles into your life.
Yes, my wife.
So,
she said she brings sparkles into my life. And now I want to let her know that, yes, you bring sparkles into my life and sometimes you bring war too.
Now, let us make a toast.
Sure.
Let's make a toast to friendship.
To old friendship.
And to new friendships.
And to a better future.
Cheers.
Trust the current takes me safe for sure. Now this is my remedy.